Hey guys, welcome back to Nirvana. Today's pursuit to paradise takes us to Geo Haus in North Miami. This was another work trip by my event planning company Lleia Luxe events for my client's bachelorette weekend. So I'll show you the house as well as the welcome setup that we did for her. Geo Haus features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living and dining areas, a theater room, private pool, and backyard, and features an open concept layout with lots of space and natural light. I love that they added a sign saying welcome to Geo Haus. I definitely had to Google this word to make sure I was pronouncing it right. And it's the German word for house and pronounced the same. Definitely tying in the living and entertainment space with a ping pong table, very stylish lounge seating, and the living area just beside. As you can see, the living area is designed beautifully, and I absolutely love the grass wall feature behind the TV, the palm trees, the Tom Ford book. I mean, the entire space was giving tropical luxury vibes. And of course, the tropical luxury vibes continues in the backyard. Just outside the sliding glass doors are lounge chairs surrounding a fire pit, which I can imagine is so great at nights. The pool is definitely a great size also and features additional lounge seating. By the way, there are a lot of iguanas in and out of these bushes, so you can't say I didn't warn you. Just by the sliding door is an outdoor dining area and yet another lounge space. So this area is screened in with mesh and covered so you're protected from the sun, mosquitoes, bugs, and I guess the iguanas too, right? Absolutely love this. So there is also a grill and lots more yard space to the side of the house. And then as you can see, it connects directly to the front of the house. Okay, back inside. So next up we have the kitchen, which features a very modern and clean design. By the way, did you already like this video and subscribe to the channel? If not, get on it. As you can see, the kitchen features an island, dishwasher, cooktop, double ovens, and many more appliances and essentials. And then just beside is this dining space, which was also very beautifully designed. I really love this table setting and centerpieces. And before we move on to the rooms, here's how we welcome the bride-to-be for her bachelorette weekend. Featuring a neon sign, balloon garland and streamers, batshit crazy balloons and tassels, a custom Batch and Boozy champagne wall, and future Mrs. pool floats. Congratulations, Andrea! Alright, here we have the master bedroom. It features a small office space at the entrance, which I think was a very nice touch, and it features a king bed and ensuite bathroom. Again, I really love all the decor choices here. Next up, we have another bedroom featuring 2 queen beds and an ensuite bathroom. This bathroom, as you can see, features double sinks. The black and white color scheme with the gold hardware, just beautiful. I should mention the size of the closets and lack of racks was disappointing in all of the rooms. So the other room here features a queen bed and an ensuite bathroom as well. And then this bathroom also doubled as the powder room and has direct access to the entry and living space. And lastly, we have the theater or movie room featuring a projector, LED lighting, and a very large sofa. Directly beside that is the laundry room, and then the final bedroom is just next door. So I did find this to be a weird area for the last bedroom, and it did feel a bit disjointed, like they may have transformed the garage into this space, but nevertheless it was decorated very nicely. And as you can see, it features 2 queen beds. And that's a wrap, guys. Since I technically wasn't a guest here, I won't do my usual rating, but here is some helpful information if you're interested in the property. So firstly, the rate at the time was $1,405 per night for a max of 12 guests, and it did have a 3-night minimum. It's also located in North Miami Beach, which is a more quiet part of Miami. It's about 35 minutes from South Beach and only 17 minutes from Miami Airport. Also, if for any reason you end up in Miami or South Florida for that matter, and you need some help with event decor or welcome setup, you know where to find me. You can reach us on Instagram and Facebook at Lleia Luxe, and our email is lleialuxeevents@gmail.com. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you loved it, please share and turn on your post notifications. As always, feel free to ask questions or leave review requests in the comments. On to the next pursuit. Thank you so much for watching.